Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Monday.com columns, where you will learn how to maximize the potential of this powerful tool to boost your team's productivity and efficiency. To start, it is essential to understand the different types of columns available in Monday.com, including text, number, date, and checkbox columns. Each type of column serves a unique purpose, such as storing information, tracking progress, or setting deadlines. When creating a new column, consider the type of data you want to store and the actions you want to perform with that data. For example, if you want to track the status of a project, a drop-down column would be ideal, as it allows you to select from a predefined list of options. One of the most powerful features of Monday.com columns is the ability to use formulas and conditional logic. Formulas enable you to perform calculations and manipulate data, while conditional logic allows you to create automated workflows and notifications. To take your columns to the next level, you can also use integrations with other apps and services, such as Google Drive or Trello. This enables you to connect your Monday.com board to other tools and platforms, creating a seamless and integrated workflow. Best practices for using Monday.com columns include keeping your columns organized and concise, using clear and descriptive names, and avoiding unnecessary columns. It is also essential to regularly review and update your columns to ensure they remain relevant and effective. By following these steps and tips, you can unlock the full potential of Monday.com columns and take your team's productivity to new heights. With its flexibility and customization options, Monday.com columns can be tailored to meet the unique needs of your team and organization, helping you to achieve your goals and succeed.